Welcome to Grade 7 Maths Session 25 video. Students, in this class we are going to learn about the chapter number 6, information processing. Children, last class I have completed the chapter number 5. Everything you people done in the geometry note, it seems okay. I hope everybody done well. Okay, now this is information processing. In this chapter we are going to learn about the how to process the informations. Okay, children, look at this. Learning objectives are to create larger shapes using tetrominos and then to analyze visual information using route map. Okay, we are going to learn about the tetrominos and then route map. Okay, children, this is the chapter number 6. No, everything we going to do in your book itself. So sums only I am going to do in the maths note. So you also write in the maths subject note. Okay, children, now coming to this, I just said about what is tetrominos. I just explained that. Children, look at this. No, in this figure, squarely some more boxes are there. So listen, children. Here, join two squares of size 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter edge to edge. Such information is called as domino. Such information is called as domino. Okay, 1 square meter 1 centimeter 1 centimeter la boxes join பண்றதுக்கு பேரு domino. Here look at this, children. Two boxes are joined means it is called the domino. Two squares. Okay, so this is horizontal domino. This is vertical domino. Okay, are we clear, children? Two squares join panna adu per domino. This is horizontal domino, this is vertical domino. Okay, similarly when we join three squares along their edges, okay, join three squares, okay va, along the edges, called trinomino. So how domino la horizontal vertical irundhucho, like that the same when we arrange horizontal or vertical we get the following shapes. This is horizontal trinomino, this is vertical trinomino. Okay, have you clear, children? So horizontal trinomino, vertical trinomino. Apart from that, if these are the shapes, when we are joining the three squares we will get this. Okay, have you clear, children? Okay, two squares இருந்துச்சுனா domino, three squares இருந்துச்சுனா trinomino. Okay, in domino we can have only horizontal domino, vertical domino shapes, but in the trinomino we can have the horizontal trinomino and vertical trinomino. Along with that we can get these four shapes also. Along with that we can get these four shapes. Okay, have you clear? Now coming to the point, tetrominos. Okay, tetrominos, all the formation of four squares. How many squares? Four squares. Okay, domino 2, trinomino 3 and tetrominos are four squares formed by joining edge to edge are called tetrominos. Okay, have you clear, children? Look at this. Here they given the tetrominos. Okay, tetrominos means four squares have to join. So this is horizontal tetromino. Like that the same we can have the vertical tetromino also, and then this is also tetromino, also this, also this, also this, because all these tetrominos have the four squares. How many squares? Four squares. Okay, the word tri means three, the word tetra means four. Okay, joining three squares is called trinomino, joining four squares is called tetromino. Okay, have you clear, children, up to this? Okay, children, look at this. All these shapes have the four squares. All the shapes have the four squares. Okay, in this four squares, if we are changing the direction we can get more shapes also. When we rotate these shapes, these five shapes, if we are rotate means we get all the other shapes as shown below. Okay, we will get this, we will get this. In the four squares இப்படி form பண்ணிருக்கோம். இத நான் direction மட்டும் change பண்ணனா I can get the image like this. Okay, why does this shape remain the same when we rotate. In the shape நம்ம rotate பண்ணாலும் we will get the same. Why they are asking? Because it is in the square shape. Because it is in the square shape. இந்த ஸ்கொயரை வந்து எப்படி ரொட்டேட் பண்ணாலும் all the four sides are equal அப்படின்ற மேனரில் every time if you are rotating also it remains same. It won't change. Okay, have you clear children? Okay, keep on mind. Domino 2 square, trinomino 3 square, tetromino 4 square. Okay va. So based on this shapes we are going to do the sums now. Children, this is your example 6.2. Example 6.1 is nothing but we have the geoboard. In this geoboard we have to form the tetromino shapes. That's all. Okay va. So 6.2 is Raghavan wants to change the front elevation of his house. Okay va. Using the tiles made of tetrominoes shapes. Okay va. Or tiles, this is the tile. In this tile this is the tetromino. Tetromino means 4 square. Okay, so first question is how many tetrominos are there in a tile? So in the tiles la ethana tetrominos they are asking the question. Okay va. So next is this is the house. Okay, here you just given the tiles. In each tile how many tetrominos are there, we going to find it. So next is if the cost of the square tile is 52 is rupees 52, then what will be the cost of the tile that Raghavan buys for the front elevation? Okay, by seeing this image itself we can identify that he given the 6 tiles. How many? 6 tiles. Okay va. What is the cost of the 6 tiles? We are going to find it. Okay va. So look at this children, this is the solution. This is one tile. Okay, in this one tile how many tetrominos are there, we are going to find. Okay va. So middle portion one tetromino. Middle portion is one tetromino. And this color where and all we are given this color, you just see the. So in this image we have 4 tetrominos like this. Okay va. So next to that we have this violet color. Okay va. Violet color 1 2 3 4. Violet color is 1 2 3 4. Here see 1 2 3 4. This is also 4. Okay va. Here violet color is 1 2 3 4. So violet color is 4 tetrominos. So totally we have 9 tetrominos. Okay, totally we have 9 tetrominos. That's what they are given here. Therefore there are 9 tetrominos in a tile. One tile 9 tetrominos irukku. Okay va. So next question is what is the cost of the tile they are asking. One tile is rupees 52 means we have he had used 6 tiles. He had used the 6 tiles. So one tile is 52 rupees cost means 6 tiles equal to, so 6 into 52. 6 into 52 is 312. 312. Okay, have you clear children up to this? Next move on to the exercise number 6.1. Okay va. Exercise number 6.1. In this first one is a tetromino is a shape obtained by dash squares together. So how many squares it is called as a tetromino? We all know that 4 square means it is called as a tetromino. Okay, so next is draw a tetromino which passes symmetry. Symmetry means what? Symmetry means in the side number rotate panalo it remains the same. It is called the symmetry. So only one image, as I said when I am teaching. Okay, so this image, in the image now 4 side rotate panana I will get the same image. So it is called as a symmetry tetromino. It is called as what this image is called as a symmetry tetromino. This image is called as a symmetry tetromino. Have you clear? Okay, next move on to the sum. This is your third sum. Complete the table. Complete the table. So first is tetrominos they gave. So we have to rotate it. What image we will get? That only we are going to fill in this box. Okay. So tetrominos 90 degree 180 degree. Okay, 270 degree இந்த 90 degree same அதே மாதிரி rotateல இருக்க போகுது. So it is how it will come no, you just draw the box like this. Use the scale and do children. Okay, like this it will come. Okay, next is complete the table. So these shapes are there. Here two shapes were missed. So how it will be? Same, this will be the 180 degree rotation also. Same, it will come like the same. Okay, so you can give this here. Like this it will come. So this side no, like this it will come. Okay, next coming to this shape will be there. First rotation, rotate பண்ணும்போது then we will get like this it will come. So next we have to turn like this it will come. Again if you turn means like this it will come. Next is up 3 down 1, like that it will come. Okay, are you clear children? Very much simple. Okay, so next is shade the figure completely by using 5 tetromino shapes only once. Okay, 5 tetromino shapes use பண்ணிருக்கணும், but all the shape must be utilized for only one time. So first I am going to do. Okay, first this 4 box I am going to take. Okay, I am going to shade like this. If you have the color pencil means you color it. Okay, I don't have the color pencil, so I just done. This is first tetromino. Okay, so next tetromino is this shape 5 6 7 8, like this I will do. We have to see the changes no, so I just give this line like this, then only you can understand. So I am doing like this. Next tetromino this is. Okay, coming to the next tetromino, I am going to give this shape 1 2, this shape is next tetromino 1 2 3. Now I have given the 3 tetrominos, we have to use the 5 tetromino no. So again 5th tetromino, 4th tetromino, this like I will give the lines. So next tetromino, okay, I give this side I will take. Okay, that's it. Okay, so for each tetrominos I will give different directions lines. Okay, first is this one, second is this one, third is this one. Okay, third is this one, fourth is this one, fifth is this one. So 5 tetrominos over. Okay, are you clear children? For your identification I will give the number 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then 5 6 7 8, and then 9 10 11 12, and then 13 14 15 16, and then 17 18 19 20. So 5 tetrominos we found. Okay, so next is this question you do by your own. Okay, so next is question number 6. Match the tetrominos of same type. Match the tetrominos of same type. So horizontal tetromino, vertical tetromino. So I have to match this. This is 4. Okay, next this shape oda reverse version, this one, first one. Next 1 2 3 down 1, here up 1. So I have to match with this. This is second one. Next this one I am going to match with this. This is third one. Okay, very much simple. Move on to the next one. Okay, this is your seventh question. Using the given tetrominoes with numbers, okay, complete the 4 into 4 magic square. ஓகேவா, இந்த ஷேப் எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிட்டு நம்ம இங்கே ஃபில் பண்ண போகிறோம். எங்கே எந்த ஷேப் வச்சா we can do this. Okay, shall we do this? Very much simple, very much tricky too. First children, fix this shape. Once we can fix. I am going to fix this shape first. So number 16, number 5, number 9, number 10. Okay, next I am going to fix this shape. Okay, number 3, 2, 13, 11. Okay, next I am going to fix this shape. So 8, 12, 1, 14. Next this shape I am going to fix. So the shape fix means I will get 6, 7, 4, 15. Okay, have you clear children up to this? Very much simple sum. All these sums do in your book itself. Okay, this is next children, root map we are going to learn 6.3. okay, so in this children they are given these sums. Okay, so zoo they are given, from move to this animal, how we have to go, like that questions and all they are given. You just read and check once or twice, you can understand well. So coming to this this sum, exercise number 6.3. okay, 6.3. okay, Madan has go to Karur from Coimbatore for an official visit. Okay, Karur from Coimbatore. On his onward journey he goes via Vellakoil to reach Karur. ஓகேவா, வெள்ளக்கோயில் டு ரீச் கரூர். இங்கே பாருங்கள், கரூர் டு கோயம்புத்தூர், இடையில வெள்ளக்கோயில். ஓகே, ஸோ while returning to கோயம்புத்தூர் he travels via ஈரோடு. ஓகேவா, ஸோ போகும்போது இப்படி போகிறாங்க, ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும்போது he is coming via the ஈரோடு to this place. Okay, so both the routes traveled by him are given in the figure. Find the shortest route they are asking. ஓகேவா, கரூர்லேருந்து கோயம்புத்தூருக்கு வெள்ளக்கோயில் வழியாக போனால் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கம்மியா, இல்லை கோயம்புத்தூர்லேருந்து கரூர் வரும்போது ஈரோடு வழியாக வந்திருக்காங்க, அதோட டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கம்மியா, that only we are going to check. ஓகேவா, this sum I am going to solve in the note. Okay, look at this children, I had given the example number 6.3 here. Okay, solution I am going to write. You are also write only the solution. Solution. Okay, first distance traveled by Madan from Coimbatore to Karur. To Karur via Vellakoil. Next, ஓகேவா, இது வந்து what they given 131 kilometer. Next, Karur to Coimbatore, Karur to Coimbatore via Erode. Erode. ஓகேவா, this is how much distance? First is Karur to Erode is 66 kilometer plus Erode to Coimbatore is 101 kilometer. Okay, so totally 66 plus 101, what we will get? 167 kilometer. They are asking which is the shortest route. So shortest route is which kilometer is less? This kilometer only less. So shortest route is via Vellakoil. Like that you write here. That's it. Okay, have you clear children this example? So next I am going to teach you example number 6.4. okay, example number 6.4. A telephone exchange worker wants to give the telephone connection to Amuda's house. Show all the possibilities of cable connections. Okay, find the route which requires minimum cable. Okay va. So electric tower inga, ohm inga. So இதுதான் வந்து அமுதாவோட ohm. We have to give the electric connection. Okay va. So இங்க பாருங்க 3 ways we have the here. So write it here. Solution. Way 1 A to D straight up. Okay va. A to D straight, it is 7 meter. And then way 2 A B D. Okay va. A B D, that is A to B is 4 meter, here 5 meter. Okay va. Then way 3 is A C D. So A to C is 2 meter, C to D is 6 meter. Okay, calculate this. 9 meter, here 8 meter. Okay, which is the shortest, which requires minimum cable? Way A to D, that is way 1. Way 1. Therefore, way 1, that is A to D equal to 7 meter, requires minimum cable. If they are asking as a maximum means, what's your answer? This way 2 is the answer. They are asking for minimum. So minimum is cable. Okay, have you understand children? Students, now we are going to start with the exercise number 6.2, miscellaneous practice problem. Very much simple sums children. I am going to tell how to do and just give the PDF to solve this diagrams and all. You just seeing that, no, you just complete this in the book itself. Okay va. So make a model of fish using the given tetromino shapes. Okay va. So in the இடத்துல வந்து we have to fill this diagrams. So this images, know how many times you have to use for this, that also they are given very clearly. So this is 3 time, this is 1 time, this is 2 time, this is 1 time we have to use in this diagram and fill it. Okay va. Take the color pencil and shade the particular colors. Okay va. So next is question number 2. This is also the same like that. We have to fill this boxes, empty boxes, by using this images. Number of times we have to use, that also they are given very clearly. Okay, so next is question number 3. We have to fill this. Okay, use 5 tetromino shapes only once they are given. So 5 tetromino shapes kuduthukanga. Each shape we must use only once. Okay va. And then we have to complete this diagram. Okay, so next, this is also like the sum which we done in the exercise number 6.1. Okay, fill this and all like the games. You have to sit and fill that. Okay, so coming to this fifth sum only I am going to do in the note. Find the shortest route to Vivekananda Memorial Hall from the Mandapam using the given map. This sum I am going to do in the note. Look at this and you also do in the note. Okay, so we have given the image very clearly. Shortest distance we are going to find. So shortest route to Vivekananda Memorial Hall from the Mandapam. Where is that Mandapam? Here the Mandapam. From here to here, which is the shortest distance? Then first you just find how many ways are there to reach this place from here. Okay, way 1 is 1 2 3. This is the way 1. Another way is this is. Okay va. So I am going to solve this. Look at this, very much easy. Solution way 1. Okay va. I'm just for your notification I will just given the alphabets. Okay, Mandapam is A B C D. Okay. Now A, B, C, D is the root 1. A, B, C, D is the root 1. So write the kilometer of that. 6 kilometer A to B plus 2 kilometer B to C plus 1.5 kilometer C to D. Total is 678.9.5 kilometer. Okay, now go to the way 2. Way 2 is A to C, C to D. A to C to A to C to D. So D is here. Now write the kilometer of this. A to C is 7 kilometer plus 1.5 kilometer equal to 8.5 kilometer. So way 2 is shortest distance, 8.5 kilometer. Therefore way 2, that is Mandapam, Crusadai Island, Vivekananda Memorial Hall. That is A to C to D, 8.5 kilometer is the shortest distance. Okay, up to this I am going to finish off this whole exercise. We have completed 6.1 and 6.2 by today. Okay children, whatever sums I just ask you to do in the book, that one you do in the book itself. Particularly 6.1 fully you do in the book itself, and then 6.2 only this sum alone you do in the note. Remaining all the sums you just complete in the book itself. Okay, meanwhile I have completed example number 6.3 and 6.4, that you do in the note. Okay ba, have you clear children up to this? Students, today's home assignment is complete the exercise number 6.1 in book, page number 114, and then complete the exercise number 6.2 in book, page number 120. So remaining sums do in the math subject note. Okay, complete it. I will meet you in the next class. Take care and bye.